Hello, welcome back. I'm trying another color mascara. I'm literally so excited about this. I don't actually think I've ever worn a purple mascara before. So yes, that is the next color that I'm trying. I got this beautiful box of things from Lethal Cosmetics. So seriously, Lethal Cosmetics, thank you so much. If you want to see any of the other colors of the colored mascara or the palette or anything, let me know. But I need to try this. I need to try this right now. As I have said before, the packaging, these are vegan, these are cruelty-free, which is fantastic. Anything that you see on my page is cruelty-free. If you didn't know, now you know. But I'm very excited about this because the way that the red one wore, I'm not gonna lie, I was so shocked. It did not flake. It did not get weird. I did not have transfer. I didn't get smudging. When I removed the mascara, it almost removed in like a tubing way. So that one was voltage. This one, it was the red mascara. Wow. I know a lot of people had said put like a primer or like a white base underneath to make it pop, but I found in person it popped so intensely. But I think I might try that just honestly for science sometime. Anywho, getting into this, I want to try this shade. This is Reactor. So this is like the unicarton with the mascara inside, obviously. It's the same kind of like square black and green. I love it. It's the charged mascara, hence the charge lightning. I don't know. I like it a lot. It says lengthening and curling mascara. Charged up lashes are way to spice. Are just a swipe away. All day drama and fuss free ending. Courtesy of next generation tubing technology. It is tubing. Okay, incredible. I was like, is this real? Me at 4 a.m. taking off my makeup being like, what's real? We don't need to go there. Anyway. Oh, I'm so excited. Again. I love this packaging. Gorgeous, sleek. Okay, the moment of truth with the color. That is purple. That is, dare I say, Grimace purple. Oh yeah, that's purple, all right. All right, I said it once and I'll say it again. I'm not gonna like quantify it in any way. I'm just gonna put a lot of mascara on. So I kind of build it up slowly. That's just how I like to wear mascara in general. So I'm not gonna treat this any differently. I've had a whole conversation, a whole talk about how I think color mascaras really just are like, half the time. Like you put them on, it's just a watery mess. It's not impressive. They don't hold any kind of shape. Voltage did. So I'm wondering if like between color to color, if there would be any difference. So purple, what do you got? I'm already excited. I only have like the teeniest bit on my lashes already, and I'm already excited because it's a vibrant purple. Like I feel like even just with that tiny little bit, ooh, kind of smells good. Oh yeah, that is freaking purple, dude. That is so pretty. Already? I know you can see that. That is cute. I will say I did notice that it curled my lashes quite well. I don't ever like to curl my lashes like with a, a lash curler? It's literally just called a lash curler because it freaks me out. But I feel like this really did a good job. Cute. That is not freaking bad. Again, when I turn to the side, you can see like the volume of my lashes. Okay. Lethal. This is so freaking cute. I like that it's vibrant. I was a little worried that the vibrancy would take away from like any depth or like volume, but it makes it so you can actually tell that it's purple. Wow, I love this. Okay. Yet again, here I am with a color mascara that I feel like is so impactful, but so effortless. Again, it's not no makeup. It's not soft glam, although it feels adjacent to that. It feels like cool. It just is cool makeup. I think my lashes look so nice with this, and the purple is very like intense, especially in person. I know I'm obviously sitting here in front of like lights and stuff like that, but I feel like you can actually really tell even from afar. Like the further away I got from the mirror, I was like, yep, that's still purple. I think putting this on lashes could also be really cool too. Like if you want like bigger lashes with purple on it, you could just coat this, or you could just paint your lashes. Anyway, there's so many things that you could do. I would love to hear your thoughts on color mascara and just all this in general. So please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup content and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!